So this is our app. We're calling it UIUC Crime app. So what it does is that it'll give you, it'll pop up this UI screen, and you'll be able to type in an address and a year from 2001 to 2018. And what it'll do is it'll pull up a map with all the crimes that happen within the area for that year. The way it works is we essentially take the address you input and use Google's geocoding API to get the lat-long position of that address. We'll center the map around that, and then we'll populate it by parsing through a JSON filled with all the information that's available publicly about crimes. The reason we did this was that we wanted a more useful version of Zillow or apartment finder type apps. We thought that we could provide more useful information with things like crimes, health inspection grades, and building permits when the last building.
So Josh's role in this project was the geocoding part, where it takes the address and centers the map around the lat-long of the user's address. And he also worked on the UI. And my part in this project was the parsing of the JSON. So here we have a JSON filled with crimes and the year. And the part that I coded was right here in the maps activity. So right here is just a JSON being parsed and then markers being added to the map. So some interesting technical problems that we encountered was I made a push to Git with a 260 megabyte file of just pure text and JSON because it was unfiltered. It was every single crime that happened in Urbana since 1988 to 2019. So it was a lot of data. I accidentally committed it, and I made several commits after that before I pushed. And because of that, my push kept failing and failing. It took about 3 hours to realize or to figure out how to delete a file from the Git branch, because even after I deleted the file, it was still stuck in the commit history, which GitHub did not accept.
Yeah. I mean, something to just throw onto that was that the JSON file itself was too big to parse through. And ended up crashing the emulator several times. So what we actually have running on the app are just, I think, marijuana infractions.
Yeah, it's filtered. The crime that's filtered for this instance, for this project demonstration, is just cannabis infractions. So the map is being filtered with markers of every cannabis infraction around your area. The JSON can be changed, so you can use filtered data from any crime throughout any year, ranges of years, and it should work the same. And in future modifications, if we wanted to, we could add an option for selecting what type of crime it would like to be filtered out. Thank you very much.